Hey guys, I'm April from Giggle Glitter Graphics, and this is my flip through of my Fall Harvest Journal Kit. This kit has a kind of fall farmer's market harvest theme to it. There's a lot of really warm tones, and I think this is a really fun way to kind of jump into fall. Now I know it's the middle of summer at this time of posting this video, but I know some of you make journals to sell, so I wanted to release this kit in time for those of you who want to create and sell journals. You have time to make those so that they're ready for the fall season. There are 16 papers as usual in this kit, as well as 4 papers that are more decorative, like this leaf design here. And everything, there's a lot of pumpkins and cider. I've got orchards, there's an apple orchard, sunflowers, there's a cornfield. I tried to just have fun with the theme and really convey kind of that harvest abundance that we have leading up to the Thanksgiving season, where the air is nice, everybody's picking apples and picking pumpkins and outdoors having a nice time before it gets cold for the winter. Now there also are, as usual, journal pages in this kit. Those should be coming up here pretty soon. Got candied apples here. There we are. So I've got 4 pages that are set up for journaling. 2 of them have lines, and 2 of them I left blank space so that you really had a lot of room to kind of cram some writing in. I was designing this kit and I was like, maybe not everyone wants to be locked into lines. Let's leave some blank space this time around. There are also 12 sheets of ephemera in this kit, and as always, I do try to mark them with what I recommend they be printed on. So on paper, I have printed my tucks and belly bands, my envelopes. I've got 4 sheets of pockets, 2 of them angled. These are so fun with the pie and truck, and I really enjoyed making these. And there are 2 sheets of rectangular pockets. Some are patterns and some are more scenery. I also provided some journaling spaces, little papers. This can be printed on paper or cardstock, depending on how you want to use them. I printed mine on paper. And then on cardstock, I printed these large cards, a couple sheets of those, some farmers market booths and wagons here, as well as ticket stamps and some extra oval designs, some smaller tags, and then bookmarks and tabs. There are links to this kit and coordinating kits in the description down below. There are a lot of goodies that can go with this kit already up in my shop. I posted this a couple weeks ago before I went on vacation, so I'm a little late getting this video out, but here it is. Hopefully this brought a little mental cool air to you during these hot days. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.